Hey guys, it's Aileen here. So I thought I'd film another Disney princess makeup tutorial. Today it's going to be Belle. So to start, I'm using this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. It's basically kind of like a liquid highlighter slash bronzer that I just put all over my face to give my face more of a natural glow. And now I'm going to put on my foundation. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And I'm just using my beauty blender. Now I'm just using an eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to use my concealer just under my eyes and on my blemishes. Then I'm using this Belle Cream Stick Foundation in a white color, and just applying it with my beauty blender just to give my face some contour in different areas. So on my cheekbones, under my jaw, and in the center of my face, like on my chin and my forehead. Next, I'm just applying my powder. And then I'm using a bronzer. This one is the MAC Aladdin bronzer, ironically. And I'm just going in my cheekbones and underneath my chin and my jawline. And also on my forehead. Next, I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow palette to contour certain areas. So first my nose, and I'm just trying to make it a bit more narrow and more upturned. So just going underneath the nose and on the ball of the nose, and then smudging it all out. Next, I'm using this Tarte Hamptons Weekender palette and using the blush color. So it's like a rosy berry kind of color, and just going in my cheeks, staying kind of low there in the cheekbone area, and a bit on my nose. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is Soft Glam by Anastasia, but first I'm just using that highlight color to highlight my cheekbones and my nose area. It's basically like a really pretty, subtle kind of gold shimmery color. And then just this super shimmery color from another Tarte palette, Winter Wonder Glam, and then just going in the high points of my cheekbones. And just a little on the tip of the nose. Okay, now dipping back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm using that color called Burnt Orange, and just going in the crease and on the ends of the eye. And then I'm using the color right above it called Orange Soda and just also kind of blending it out, going a bit higher up. And I'm also taking those two colors underneath the eye. Next, to darken it up a bit, I'm using this darker color called Sienna, and just using a slightly more tapered brush and going just on the ends of the eye. And just blending it all out. So now I'm going to use that shimmery color called Glistening just to go on my lid. And then going back into the other palette and just using that super shimmery champagne color in the tear duct area and on the brow bone. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner, so I'm just using a liquid liner and starting midway and just making a nice small natural flick. Just curling my lashes. And then I'm going to apply my favorite mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Normally for this cosplay I would apply false lashes, but just for the sake of the tutorial I'm not going to do it. Just pretend that I did it, okay? But you don't have to. It's definitely up to you and the type of look you would rather have. So without the false lashes it's just slightly more of a natural look. Next, I'm taking this MAC brown eyeliner pencil and I'm just going in the upper waterline and also the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to start on my brows, so I'm just using this Essence eyebrow gel first. And then I'm using a dark brown shadow with my angled brush. And I'm just trying to make my brows slightly more arched than they are naturally so that they look a bit more cartoony and more like Belle's. Next, I'm going to start on the lips. So the first product I'm using is a lip liner and it's by Lime Crime in the color Fangs. So it's basically a nice plum dark pink color. And in terms of the shape, I'm just making sure that I have quite a big Cupid's bow area as well as a larger bottom lip. I find that Belle's lips are a pretty specific shape, so I'm just trying to mimic that. Next, I'm using this Tarte Sugar Rush Sugar Coat liquid lip. The color is Sprinkle, and it's basically also a nice mauvey color. And the third and final product I'm using is this MAC lipstick in the color Snob. And this is a lighter, more violet toned pink lipstick. And lastly, I'm just contouring around the mouth, so I'm going with that contour color in my Cupid's bow area, and also underneath the lip to make it look heavier, and also on the sides of the mouth to make the mouth extend a little bit. And that's it, guys. That's it for the Belle makeup. It's super simple. It's also pretty nice for an everyday glam kind of look. So I'm just gonna go put on the wig and the costume to show you guys what it looks like all together. Ta-da! So here's the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. And as always, if you use it, be sure to tag me. I'm on Instagram at @AlittleAndroid. I would love to see your looks. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!